Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saeed Rehan Haider and I am foundation level student at Rehan School, Islamabad, Bharat campus. Today I watched the video How to Build a New Tomorrow for Yourself by Sidra Iqbal. How to Build a New Tomorrow for Yourself by Sidra Iqbal is an inspiring and thoughtful talk that focuses on personal growth, self-belief and the power of making positive change in life. The title itself gives a message of hope, reminding people that no matter how difficult they may feel, everyone has the ability to create a better future for themselves. In this talk, Sidra Iqbal explained that building a new tomorrow doesn't happen overnight. It is a gradual process that requires patience, determination, and the courage to move forward even during difficult times. One of the strongest points of the talk is how simple and relatable the message feels. Instead of using complicated ideas, the speaker connects with the audience through real life emotions and practical lessons. A major theme of the talk is self-belief. Sidra Iqbal encourages people to stop doubting their abilities and start trusting themselves. Many individuals become stuck in fear, negative thinking, or the opinions of others which prevent them from giving. The talk reminds the audience that change begins when a person decides to believe that they deserve a better future. This message feels empowering because it motivates listeners to take control of their own lives. Another important lesson is the importance of learning from the past instead of remaining trapped in it. Everyone experiences failure, disappointments, and painful moments, but Sidra Iqbal explained that these experiences should become lessons rather than obstacles. She encouraged the audience to accept mistake as part of growth and to continue moving forward with confidence and hope. The talk also highlights the value of small step. Building a better tomorrow is not always about making huge changes at once. Sometimes even small actions, positive habits, and daily efforts can slowly transform a person's life. This idea makes the message realistic and encouraging because it shows that progress is possible for everyone. Emotionally, the talk creates a sense of comfort and motivation. Sidra Iqbal's message feel warm, positive, and uplifting. She speaks in a way that makes people reflect on their own lives and think about the change they want to make. The audience feels encouraged rather than pressured, which makes the message even more effective. Another meaningful aspect of the talk is its focus on mindset. The speaker explained that a positive future begins with positive thinking. If a person constantly focuses on fear and negativity, it becomes difficult to grow. However, when someone changes their mindset and begins focusing on opportunities, hope, and learning, their direction in life also changes. The title "How to Build a New Tomorrow for Yourself" is powerful because it reminds people that the future is not completely controlled by while challenges exist, individuals still have the ability to shape their own path through choices, effort, and determination. This message is especially meaningful for young people who may feel uncertain about their future. In conclusion, how to build a new tomorrow for yourself is a motivational and easy to understand talk that inspires people to believe in themselves and take positive steps toward a better future through messages of hope, resilience, patience, and self-confidence. Like Ball encourage the audience to stop fearing change and start creating the life they truly want. It's a meaningful talk that leaves listeners feeling hopeful, motivated, and ready to move forward with a new on life. So, even this is my today TEDx talk review. I hope you like it. Inshallah, we meet next TEDx talk video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.